Ever wonder why owls constantly turn their heads? It is because they cannot move their eyeballs. Unlike humans, an owl's eyes are shaped like long tubes rather than spheres. These tubes are held firmly in place by bony structures called sclerotic rings. Since they cannot glance side to side, they have to rotate their entire head to see their surroundings. To compensate, owls can rotate their necks up to 270 degrees. This incredible flexibility allows them to scan for prey without moving their bodies. It is a perfect evolutionary trade-off for superior vision and pinpoint accuracy while hunting in the dark.